We have a Frigdiare single wall oven. I have worked on a couple of these in the past, but today I install one of them. When you install the oven for the first time, you want to run it for at least 1 hour with nothing inside, because for the first 1 hour when you run this oven, it's gonna smoke. You got some oil and debris that's gonna burn down from inside. Of course, you're gonna remove everything from inside, and then you will run it for 1 hour. So for the first hour, you're gonna have a little bit of a smoke, and that's completely normal. After that, this unit also comes with the registration card. You're gonna register your unit. The model and serial number is also written down here. The model and serial number on this unit is also located right here and here. Don't forget to register your oven. Other than that, there's only 4 buttons that you're gonna use. The rest is touchpad. To turn on the oven quickly, the start is here. It always starts with 350 unless you wanna customize the preheat, then that's a different case. You can always select the 375. And if you cancel it, turn it off and turn it back on, you have all the options here. You can go back and forth. Your Sabbath mode is also in here. Oven temperature calibration. You should never touch this unless you have problem with the oven. It's not maintaining its temperature. These units are built a little bit differently. The insulation is, they do not add enough insulation like old-fashioned wall ovens. So it's gonna take some time. If your food is not being cooked properly inside of this unit, what you can do is, that's the time you wanna come to the calibration. And then on the calibration modes, you go here. Oven temperature calibration. You want to go up to 35 degrees. So I would say if you're having temperature issue, leave it at 35, and then after that run your oven and then see how it goes. These ovens, within 20 minutes to half an hour, when it hits the temperature, it would show that the oven is ready. When you open the door, put your food in, close it, and then you will still have issues. That's the time you want to come to the calibration here on the oven temperature calibration and change it here. If you do not have any temperature issue, please don't touch this, leave it alone. That's all. And if you ever get any kind of problem with the oven, what you can do is come at the same option here, keep going down. You want to go on factory reset. Factory reset will erase all settings and erase any saved favorite, and you can go next, reset. That will also reset your oven, and that would make a difference if your oven is not working properly or it's not working the way it's supposed to. And of course, on this unit, the convection fan motor is located at the back. The convection element is also in there. By taking that back panel off, you would be able to see it. You also have self-clean on this unit. I do not recommend using self-clean. These units, they always come with 1 year warranty from manufacturer, but you can always buy 5 years extended warranty. If you have 1 year warranty and you want to self-clean, self-clean, you're okay to use it, because if anything happens, the warranty would cover it. If you have 5 years extended warranty because you paid a couple $100 extra and you want to use your self-clean, you can still use self-clean. But in general, even from day one, I do not recommend using self-clean, because when you run self-clean, the oven reaches about 1100 degrees Fahrenheit and you can get all kind of problems with it. So if the oven is running on 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, the first thing it does is it seizes the motor on the convection fan motor. The second, it may damage your temperature sensor. The bake element, which is hidden on these units, the broil element, you can get all kind of problems because of the self-clean. Because on normal basis, you're running your oven on 350, and if you're really using broiled, then you may go 550. Other than that, the average temperature being used on these ovens are around 400 degrees, and I would use it the way it is. And then again, stay away from using self-clean on these units. It's not good. I do not recommend using self-clean. And instead of using self-clean, you can always go with oven cleaner spray. It's called Easy Off, and you can buy it from different places, from Lowe's, from Home Depot, from Dollar Store, from Dollar Tree. There's a lot of places you can buy those. Thank you so much.